Did you know that the average person uses over 12 skincare products a day, and yet most people still don't get the radiant skin they dream of? Crazy, right? Well, what if I told you that some of the best solutions for glowing, radiant skin are already sitting right in your kitchen? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm challenging you to achieve radiant skin instantly using nothing but easy natural DIY remedies. No fancy products, no complicated steps, just simple ingredients that you and I can both use right at home. Let's be honest, most of us has been there. You wake up, look in the mirror, and your skin just looks dull. Sometimes it's dry patches, sometimes it's an uneven tone, sometimes it feels like your glow just vanished overnight. And what do we usually do? We pile up moisturizers, try different serums, or spend money on expensive treatments, but often the results are disappointing. Why does this happen? Well, our skin is constantly exposed to stressors, pollution, sun exposure, lack of sleep, dehydration, even harsh skincare products that strip away natural oils. Over time, this can make the skin appear dry, tired, or uneven. But here is the good news. With the right natural remedies, you can revive your skin, bring back its glow, and feel more confident in your natural beauty. Let's dive into some easy DIY remedies that I personally love, and trust me, they work wonders. Remedy 1: turmeric, honey, and yogurt face mask. Turmeric is like the liquid gold for the skin. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that help reduce dullness. To make this mask, mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yogurt. Apply this golden paste to your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Instantly, your skin will feel refreshed and glowing. Pro tip: apply it at night, so if there is a slight yellow stain, it fades by morning. Remedy 2: cucumber and aloe vera toner. Next up, a refreshing toner that's perfect for hot or dry weather. Cucumber is packed with antioxidants and has natural cooling properties, while aloe vera soothes irritation and deeply hydrates. Together, they balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. Here's how to make it. Blend 1 fresh cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Strain the juice and store it in a spray bottle. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days. Spritz it on your face throughout the day for an instant pick-me up. Remedy 3: sugar and lemon scrub. Now let's exfoliate. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. Sugar works as a gentle exfoliant, while lemon juice contains vitamin C, which brightens and evens out skin tone. Mix 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, massage gently on your face in a circular motion for about a minute, then rinse. Your skin will feel smoother and look instantly brighter. Just remember, don't use this scrub if you have open cuts or sensitive skin, and always follow up with sunscreen since lemon can make skin sensitive to the sun. Remedy 4: green tea and cucumber oil moisturizer. Finally, hydration. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, while coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that nourishes dry skin. To make this, steep a green tea bag in 3 tablespoons of hot water. Once cool, mix it with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply a thin layer as a moisturizer. It leaves your skin soft, supple, and radiant. This works especially well at night, giving your skin plenty of time to absorb the goodness while you sleep. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: results. After using these remedies consistently for a week, your skin will look much smoother, brighter, and healthier. The dullness has faded and dryness is gone, and you will feel so much more confident stepping out without makeup. And the best part, you didn't spend a fortune. These remedies use ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So to recap, we have tried 4 amazing DIY remedies: turmeric, honey, and yogurt mask for instant brightness, cucumber and aloe vera toner for hydration and freshness, sugar and lemon scrub for exfoliation and glow, green tea and coconut oil moisturizer for soft, nourished skin. All simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Now is your turn. Try out these remedies and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to share your before and after result. I would love to see them. Make sure to check my other videos for more skincare tips. See you in the next video. Bye.